to install your fins, we have two different styles here. The side fins or thruster fins are called a future style, so they clamp in with an Allen key. You want to make sure obviously they're arched backwards towards the tail of the board, and also the flat side is facing inward, so each one is directional. If you can see, they have a little concave on the outside, and that's the outside. So the way to put them in, you stick in the back side and you hinge it down towards the front. So when it's flush like that, you're inside. It will be a little loose until you tighten it down with the Allen key or the set screw, and then it's nice and firm, okay? You can repeat that to the other side. See, sometimes you have to loosen the set screw off to get them into the channel. There it goes, so just like so, okay? For your center fin, which will be probably about a 9-inch fin, which is this one goes into a box style fin channel like this. A lot of the times the T-nut will be tightened in here already, so what you got to do is loosen it up, slide it to the center, and pull it out. You got to get right out of the channel. So we have to do a two-step phase process here. So we take the T-nut apart. You're going to, if I can get this properly, stick it down in the channel like so, slide it all the way forward. Then you have little metal prongs on the fin itself. Go into the channel, slide to the back. You're going to insert the screw through the hole, and then line the screw with the T-nut. Get it? There we go. And once, there it goes. Get it started. It will clamp itself down and tighten in. Now there is a lot of play in the channel from front to back, so depending on your ride style, the further back you go, the wider turns you'll take. The closer to the nose you go, the tighter the radius. I recommend somewhere in the middle for starting off for everyday use.